If you've ever wondered what type of AI digital products are actually selling right now, well, this video is going to show you the actual proof, and I will break it down to you as to what is selling online now and what AI side hustle you can start to monetize as well. I'm going to show you real examples from Etsy, Fiverr, and Gumroad as well, and how you can create your own using free AI tools. And if you want to get started today, I've created a free guide for you where I show you 10 AI side hustle that you can start this week. So if you want to get it right now, it's linked in the description box below. Grab it now. So the first place I'm going to show you is Etsy. What is actually selling on Etsy and how you can get started to get a slice off the pie that people are selling these digital products and making so much money on a monthly basis. So I'm going to record my screen. I'm going to show you what is selling on Etsy.
So this is Etsy, and as I mentioned before, I'm going to start with a planner because I know that planners are what is selling on Etsy. If you notice right here, this digital planner that they're selling, it's like 5.1 thousand purchases that they got already, and this is selling for $20. So if you notice, all of these stuff are doing so good. If you take a look at this one right here, this is $30, and they've gotten like 15,000 person just to buy this planner already. So if you realize that planners do very well on Etsy, and they're very easy to create. They're very easy to create, and I'll also show you where you can create your planners. You can use Canva to create your planners, and I'm going to show you that as well. Another digital product that is selling on Etsy is also social media templates as well. So those do very well on Etsy. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So these, if you notice, 1,000 of this has been sold. There are so many different planners on here where templates, where you can just, you can use these, you can create these yourself and also sell them on Etsy. If you realize this one, 2,000 persons bought this. Social media templates are just, those aesthetically pleasing stuff. I'll click on this one to show you, where you do your carousel, your post, just to have them, girly stuff, or just to get an aesthetic going that you like. So this is basically showing you the aesthetics that you can get if you buy, this one on Etsy. So social media templates, they do very well on Etsy as well. So another thing that does very well on Etsy are AI journals. So these are AI generated journals that people are selling on Etsy as well. So these do very well also. Simple journals, people are just creating them using Canva and just putting them on Etsy to sell them. So I'm just showing you, the stuff, the things that you can sell on Etsy. It's endless opportunities where you can just create a digital product one time and you just put it on here and it sells for you. Then I'm going to show you one more digital product that is selling on Etsy, which are prompts. So, AI prompts, they sell very well here. So like prompt bundles, they do very well on Etsy as well, because people don't know what to type in ChatGPT. So in order for to get ideas, people want to find prompts, easy prompts that you can just put in ChatGPT and tell the AI what to do, and it gives you all the information, and then you can take the information that it gives you and just simply turn it into a digital product. So these do very well on Etsy also. So now I'm going to go over to ChatGPT and Canva and show you how to create these simple digital products where you can just create them. You can sell them on your own website, or you can do Etsy as well if you like. So I'll show you that right now. So the reason why, digital products do so well on Etsy, whether it is that you're selling a journal, a template, a planner, or even ChatGPT prompts, they save time. They help people save time, which is what a lot of people strive for. People want to save time on tasks that they're doing. So the reason why your digital product will sell is because you can sell it to an audience that just need to save time, especially business owners. If you're able to create these digital products and sell them to business owners that, they don't have a lot of time to do these stuff. They want their Instagram to look good. They want their products to go out there, but they don't have any time to do it. So it saves time. It's also niche specific, like choosing a topic, whether it is that you know how to do fitness, beauty, hair care, whatever it is that you're doing currently right now, it can turn into a digital product and sell on your website, your own website, your own social media. You can reach out to people and get them interested in what you're doing as well. And these are also, aesthetic value. They provide value for people. So if you can see with these, they're aesthetically pleasing. So people would want to go on to check out, their people's website. If you do this for a business, people would want to see it because it's pleasing to the eyes. So that's great. Those points that I mentioned are reasons why people will buy your digital products. So here we are in Canva. So Canva is what I use to do my design. So for instance, if you just wanted to create a simple, planner or a simple template, then you can just, or even an ebook, you can just type it in right here. And then Canva will give you the templates for an ebook. So for instance, if you want to, this says how to sell art online. So you could choose this. You could customize it for whatever it is that you're selling. You could use this exact template that they have and create your own digital product from it. You can create an ebook and then you can put it on any platform and sell it. So another place where you get the ideas for these digital products, in case you don't know what to put in your digital product, you're like, Shanique, I don't know where to start. How do I start? So to get your ideas together, I'm going to jump on over to ChatGPT and I'm just going to show you a simple prompt where you can use to get started on your digital product journey. If you're stuck, if you're not sure where to start, let me show you the prompt. So here we are in ChatGPT and I'm going to show you the prompt I use. And I'm just going to paste this prompt. This prompt is from my prompt pack that I have on my storefront. So if you are interested in, getting some prompts where you can just plug and play into ChatGPT for it to give you your ideas, then I would have that linked in the description box below. You can check it out if you need some ideas on prompts to put in ChatGPT. So let's go. So it says, give me 10 beginner friendly digital product idea in whatever niche. So we would, if we want to do fitness, we could put fitness right here. Whatever it is, you can put it right there. So for instance, you want to do fitness that can be created quickly and sold for under, $50. So let's see what ChatGPT does. And if you notice right here, ChatGPT is going to give you ideas on products that you can create if you're in the fitness niche. So as you see, 10 beginner friendly digital products idea for fitness. You can do a 7-day home workout challenge. You can do healthy habits trackers and planners as well. And ChatGPT tell you what they are. It tells you what they include. It tells you the price point you can sell it for, and it tells you also why these sells. So if you're not sure as to, why are these sellings? Why would my product sell? Why would people buy? ChatGPT literally tell you that this one would be perfect for busy people who want a short, structured plan that feels achievable. So if you're not in fitness, you can put any niche right here. So any niche that you're in, you just replace it with this part and put it in, and ChatGPT will literally give you all the ideas, and then you can go from here, take it to Canva and create your digital product based on the one you choose and the rest of the prompts that you give ChatGPT.
So the next place I'm going to go is Gumroad. What is selling on Gumroad, and how can you make a simple digital product where you can sell on these websites as well? So I'm going to record my screen again, and I'm going to show you Gumroad and what is selling and how you can get started in selling your own products there as well.
So here we are in Gumroad, and this is so much similar to what we've been talking about in Etsy. So, people are selling planners, people are selling templates, people are selling digital products here as well. So if you notice, these categories, entrepreneurship, so people are selling courses here as well on all these different topics. And the good thing about this is that AI has come along in such a time where you can use the artificial intelligence just to create these courses. So it's nothing to get intimidated about, because you literally have AI at your fingertips, where you can just use these just to create whatever you want it to do. So if you notice with all of these, you still have the similar things. If you notice, this course is selling for $297. This over here, this is the blueprint viral AI content. So this is literally telling you that people are selling these AI courses as well, LinkedIn training, social media planners, like everything is being sold on Gumroad. So if you have a digital product, you can also sell it on Gumroad as well. They're selling everything here. If you notice all these categories, everything is selling on Gumroad, similar to what I was showing you about Etsy. So don't be timid, don't be scared. You do have places where you can sell your digital products to make money online.
And the next tool is Fiverr.com. I've used this myself. I've used Fiverr to get people to create logo for me when I had a physical product business before. So you can find freelancers, people that are there to help you to create your YouTube thumbnail. They can edit videos. There's so much people on Fiverr.com that can help you to even create your own digital product as well. So I'm going to show you what's selling on Fiverr. So let me record my screen and we'll get straight into it.
So here we are in Fiverr.com, and I have an account, as I told you guys before. People are creating thumbnails, people are doing, they can edit your YouTube videos. So there's so much that you can do in Fiverr. And this is also a great opportunities for beginners as well. You can create a Fiverr account and you can put your services on Fiverr, such as you see here. Using AI now, it has become so much easier, where you can literally use AI to create digital products for people and offer your services on Fiverr. So this is one of the top places where you can just create an account, offer your services, such as, you can do Instagram for people, you can become a graphic designer. And as I said, with AI, you are able to become a graphic designer and use the AI tools just to help you out as well. So it's not much complicated anymore. If you notice, people are doing different things, and I'm sure that these people are using AI to help them to create these stuff as well. So it's mainly, most of these things that you see, they're AI generated things that people put on Fiverr. So this is a great opportunity for persons who are beginners. If you want to get started, starting a AI side hustle, then this is one of the platforms that you can use to sell. If you don't want to, go on social media, if you don't want to reach out to people on social media, you can literally put your stuff on Fiverr, and the platform helps you to sell it there as well. So this is Fiverr.
Now let's break it down. The best AI digital products, they share three simple things. They have three things in common. So, number one, they'll solve a real problem. Number two, they're easy to deliver. You have no shipping, no overhead, nothing. So that's two, they're easy to deliver. And number three, they can be automated and scaled. And that is good news for you. So if you're able to create a digital product that one solves a problem for an audience that you're already used to, someone that you know that could use the solution that you have to their problems. So as a beginner, you don't have to overwhelm yourself in thinking about things like out of your scope. You can simply think of problems which you're able to solve right now. So if you're a busy mom and you found a way to help, schedule your time or plan, you can actually sell those. You can create a digital product around busy mom, helping them to prepare meals, helping them to be more productive. If you're a chef and you do cooking, you can share digital products on how to cook a simple chicken pasta, whatever it is. If you're in health, fitness, beauty, don't shy away from digital products because you think it's for a specific audience. No, digital products are for every industry. And once you have one problem that you can solve for an audience that needs it, and it's a pain problem for them, then they're going to be willing to pay you to get that problem solved. And that is why I teach beginners how to start one AI side hustle, and they can grow from there. So it's just about starting one thing, creating one digital product, doing one thing that you're good at or you're willing to learn, and then you can monetize it in future as well. And if you want to start an AI side hustle but you don't know what products to start with, then I created a free guide for you. I've linked it down in the description box below. It's a step-by-step guide showing you 10 ideas, 10 AI side hustle ideas, which you can start right now to start to make money online. If you're serious about building your own digital product business, then my program, AI Side Hustle Blueprint, will walk you through every step from ideas to launch. Don't forget, you don't want to overcomplicate things. You want something that is simple, easy, and easy to be delivered. And that is why I know that digital products, like using AI to create your own digital products, is the way to go. This is something that is currently, like, everyone is doing it. But the thing about that is that even if everyone is doing it, you're able to find a market for yourself because of your uniqueness. Everything that you have inside of you, you can share that with an audience. So you don't need to find something that everybody else is actually, an audience that everybody else is targeting. No, you just find your little simple circle of people, create a guide or a product that helps them to solve a problem, and then you'll be able to monetize off of that. So don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and also share this video to someone that you think might need it. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.